Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Google Docs PDF. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Docs apps, and after this, in here, if you wanna make these documents to PDF, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the document first, like this. And after this, in here you just click on the three dots icon, this one. And after this, in here you just click on the share and export. And after this, in here you just click on the save as. And now you can choose the word. You can change the word to a PDF documents. And after this, in here you just click on the OK and finish. So that how to make a Google Docs to a PDF. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.